And in comes Ariane, a therapist for entrepreneurs.
Yes. I want people to be enthusiastic about the possibilities and the optimism about change. Like, your life doesn't have to stay where it is. It can always evolve. Like, I always say that being hype about your wellness is so important. Being hype and encourages you to make change. If you're not excited about being well, if you don't look at your life and think that it's going to be able to change, if you don't see the optimism of the outcomes, then you're not gonna do anything. So the same way you get excited to go buy them new shoes, to go get your hair done, to get your nails done, I need you guys to be excited about the optimism of your own transformation. So if you are excited to be here, everybody say, let's go. Let's go. Hey, I like to tell people that we operate top down. So our thoughts create feelings, and our feelings create movement in our feet. And if we're not paying attention to what thoughts we're having and what messages we're sending in our brains, then we're not paying attention to how our heart feels. And your feet are navigated by your heart. Wherever you are most passionate about, wherever you love the most, that's where your feet are gonna go. That's sometimes how we end up in toxic relationships a little bit, because our heart just be doing all types of stuff, right? But it's about the message that we're telling ourselves in our brain around what's pumping our heart. So we are people who operate top down. So if you feel like your feet are stuck, you feel like you're not standing in the place that you want to be, check your heart. How is your heart feeling? And then check the thoughts that you're telling yourself in connection to all those things.
Wherever you are standing is not the end. There is more to come if you want it to. You have the ability to dream, to think different, to envision differently if you want to. You have to make the decision to surrender, to envision something different, and then move your feet. It does not matter where you are or how deep or harsh your stories are. I don't want you to get stuck in the story that has already happened. You have the opportunity to still look ahead and move forward. Where you are standing is not the end.
She has shined her light on me so much that I am brighter. And I wanted to share that with you guys. When I say this woman has made me the woman that I am and has given me the confidence for me to stand in my own too, this is the one, okay? So I'm gonna let her introduce herself.